just running the application successfully to the way that it was actually shown in the YouTube. So so this is the code which has been downloaded from the GitHub repository, and after this I've opened it in Visual Studio Code. The reason that I'm working in Visual Studio Code is I'll have the terminal directly here. I need not have to open the DOS prompt again. So so when I type truffle version, this is the version that I'm actually having in my system. Once we download this project, there are 3 places where we need to do some modifications. So one is so these are the ones. So you need to go to election.sol file. So here in this, if I go to election.sol, here you'll be able to see that there is a constructor. So instead of function election, so we need to modify it to constructor. That's the change one. And then in the add candidate, we need to add this keyword memory, and then in the event, while we are actually publishing the event, we need to add this keyword emit. So once this modification has been done, so everything is ready. You can actually see all the test cases. So these are the test cases. We just need to make sure that these test cases are also running fine. But before we run, we need to make sure Ganache is running. And let me open Ganache. I'm just reinitiating it. So if I click quick start, it gives me the balance as 100 for every account again. And once this is done, I need to make sure that MetaMask is also running. So I'll just make sure that this is also running. So we need to open Ganache first, because it tries to connect to the Ganache. So it's okay, let's keep it aside. Or you can actually click on import using secret recovery phrase. All that you can do is you can copy this. This is the secret phrase. Paste it. You can give a new password. And then restore. Yep. I got the MetaMask also running on my machine. Now I just need to make sure if tests are running fine. So I'll say truffle test. So whatever the test cases, there are 5 test cases here. The test cases should run successfully. It takes a little time, but you'll be able to get it successfully run. I have all the test cases run successfully. Now we just need to run truffle reset, right? 1 second. So let me open the site. So all that we would do is truffle migrate reset. So now once this is run, it will make sure that it reinitiates the entire project. takes little time, but we need not have to worry. Yep. So now, so when we do this, I see that the Ethereum cost is also, I mean, it's consuming some gas. So you can see that it is using account 1. I'm not sure why it is consuming gas of account 1. I need to get it clarified. Now we just need to open the site, the server. So I'll say npm run dev. So this initiates a light server, and the site gets opened. You see that the election result is not getting opened. The reason being the MetaMask is not linked to this account. All that we need to do is click on MetaMask, and it says not connected, right? So you can verify whether this is the account or not. So you can see 0xEF. So this is the account, but it is not connected. So we can connect it by clicking on connected sites. So you can click on manually connect to the current site. So it shows that this is the account. There are other accounts as well that you can actually switch to, but we'll come to it later. So I am selecting account 1 and then clicking next. So connect. Yep, and it shows connected. Now all that I need to do is I just need to refresh this page. Yep, I'm able to see that the page has loaded. Now I'm eligible to so whatever that you're actually doing on this site, I mean, you can get to see that the server is actually showing some logs. So all that I can do is I can vote, I can start voting. So as an account 1 holder, I'm voting for the candidate 2. So this is the account that you can actually see. I click on vote, and it will ask you to confirm. So you'll just confirm, and candidate 2 got 1 vote. Now I can start voting as another candidate, another account as well. So all that I need to do is I need to shift to another account. So I click on MetaMask, and then I shift to another account. That I can do by just clicking here, but before that, I mean, let me compare the accounts as well. So I click on here, account 2. If I need to check or I can connect. So let me connect to account 2. So all that I can do is import account and click on import. Okay, so it's already there. All that I need to do is I need to shift to the account 2. So this is account 2. So it ends with 550B exactly. So this is 550B. So I click on this and connect. Yep, so it's connected. Now if I click somewhere else and I refresh the page, because I'm still actually looking like account 1 user. Account 1 user had already voted, so that's the reason you will not get an option for vote as account 1. Since I connected to account 2 in MetaMask, I'll just refresh the page. Now I get the ability to vote for the candidate again, because now I'm connected as account 2 user. So I can vote for candidate 2 again. So I can choose. You can see that this is the address. I click on vote, and it will ask me to confirm. So it consumes some gas actually, but I'm not so sure why this gas is not reflecting or detecting in my ganache, but I'm able to see this in MetaMask. So I click on confirm. Yep, so candidate 2 got 2 votes. Now if I look at MetaMask, I'm able to see the Ethereum values which are actually having. So if you see, it is somewhere around 99.97, which is reflecting fine, but here account 2 is showing 99.997, which is not reflecting. So that we need to confirm. So this is how it is working. I can connect to any, or I can import any account. I can act like that account holder, and I can start voting to the election application. So this is how it works. So if I need to get exit from the server. Before that, I just wanted to show you some issue that I faced. So if I refresh this page, sometimes I see these candidates duplicate. So see, but if I keep on refreshing, sometimes it shows again unique values. I don't know why it is happening, but I think we need to debug. There might be some promise function which is not running, or which is giving the data, and then the page is rendering soon, I believe, so which is supposed to be fixed. So if I need to stop the server, I just need to click Ctrl C on the keyboard. And it gives us an option. You just need to press Y and then enter, and you're out of the system. So out of executing that server. So this is how I've currently executed. That's where I am, and I hope everyone are on the same page till here.